Hey, Lady Esther here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't had a chance, please click the subscribe button and click the like button. Please hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos. So today is going to be a quick Friday video. Life has been kind of hectic recently. Anyway, so I don't know if you remember me mentioning in a previous video how I don't really like lipstick, so I decided to try some lip glosses. So I'm only going to show you the one that I'm wearing right now, and I was pretty impressed. It's just the Sephora N1 Perfect Nude, and it's just the regular Sephora lip gloss, and I really like it. It's feels good. It smells, I don't know, like dessert or something. But so I think this will be my regular lip gloss. But I have some other ones, and maybe I'll show you the other ones I got some other time. Wearing the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation right now, with no primer, just my moisturizer underneath, because I haven't been having good luck with primers. I had the Hourglass primer. It felt really good on my hand, and I didn't check all the ingredients, but it does have silicone, and most primers do. So I returned that one, and I got the Too Faced primer. So I really like this primer, but as a primer, I mean, I like the texture of it, and it feels more like a lotion. But so far as a primer, I don't think it's working very well, because the product you put on top, the foundation, peels on top of it, and then it doesn't look very good at all. I was in TJ Maxx and I found this pure little 4-piece kit for $5.99 at TJ Maxx, and it comes with Prep and Perfect, Hydrate and Balance, Redness Reducer, and Illuminating Glow. And so the Hydrate and Balance one is silicone free, but unfortunately has alpha hydroxy acids in it. It feels kind of weird, kind of like jelly, but this one does not have silicone, so I haven't had a chance to try this yet. But and then the other three, all these other three ones, they have silicone, and this is just a basic one. This one is green and it reduces redness. This one is kind of like flesh tone or highlight. It's illuminate and glow, so it illuminates. So I'm going to try those out and see, you know, how they work under different foundations, but that's going to take some time to do. The Too Faced feels really nice. It's like a lotion, but I will get back with you and let you know if there's a foundation that works better with this one or not. Ideally, it would be nice just to not wear primer. Like, I'm not wearing primer with my foundation right now, but I mean, it's okay. It's just, you know, hashtag older women problems. It's the problem with having textured skin, wrinkles. It's a problem. I'm trying a new thing with my makeup. Let me know what you think about it. I followed a tutorial from Elle Leary. I will link her tutorial. It's for like hooded eyes, I don't know, aging makeup or something. So I kind of like it. So it was my first time, so I'm just trying it out. So let me know if you like that. And oh, engagement. Yes, we need to get some engagement on my channel. What foundation are you currently using? And this is for anybody who has like textured skin or wrinkles, 40 and up, maybe 45 and up. So what foundation are you using that you like, that works good with mature skin? And or what primer are you using, and how does that work with your texture? And do you wear a powder on top of your foundation? And if so, what is the best setting powder that you've found? I have the Hourglass, and then I also have the Becca. I mean, I really like the Becca Hydrating Mist powder because it feels wet, moisturizing, but I'm kind of thinking that it's not working out really well as far as how it looks. I think the Hourglass works better, but like I said, I'm not wearing any powder today. So please let me know what you think and put your comments in the box below. Thank you. Have a nice day.